Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing my face, do hit that subscribe button. I was looking at my analytics and I realized like over 50% of the people that are watching my video are not subscribed. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button. It is Ramadan day 19 as I am filming. I'm starting this vlog at 3 p.m. My classes and stuff like that are done for the day. I feel like I can't concentrate with vlogging and school at the same time. I just have to get that out of the way. So now that that is out of the way, I'm going to be making a quick stop to Ikea with Vanessa. I'm gonna go pick her up because Home Goods yesterday was a fail, so I am going to try Ikea just to see if maybe something from there. Don't mind like the random stuff here. I usually like we'll put this in the closet or something, but this is like the corner that I'm like, it's just missing something. I mean, I also feel like I need like paintings for the wall, but this corner is like an empty corner and I wanted to like decorate it somewhat, or if not decorate it, get a table for like eating and stuff. But I just feel like this space is like so small that a table would just make it so crowded in here. Curious to know what you guys would think would look good here. Don't mind like the trash and that stuff, but yeah, I'm like curious, like what should I put here? Also, I ordered new curtains. I don't like these ones. Like I hate that round look. Personally, not a fan. These came with the apartment. I ordered my own. So they finally came here today, so I won't be putting those curtains up, which I really feel like the curtains will also make a difference and it'll just look better. But what should I put over here? Like, should I just do like a cute little like shelf and like decorate that, or leave it empty, or like put like a table? I don't know, let me know. Look who I'm with. Hi! I was thinking of getting this desk because it's like pretty cheap. It's only like 50 bucks. And it's like cute glass and white for the bedroom, maybe. So this is an option.
Actually, what you can also do is put like pillows.
Oh yeah, to make it more comfy. Yeah, that works. 79 cents for a towel.
79 cents for a towel. Kind of steal.
And like paint this black.
Black or like a dark gray, because then you have like gray.
Yeah.
Don't you? No? Would you have like dark gray?
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to think. Does it look too outdoorsy? No, right?
No, if you like add pillows and stuff, it won't.
Okay, this is an option. This is a cute little cabinet. Could be cute in the bedroom, but also I already have the dresser, so I don't know. So many options.
It's nice spinning. Oh, there it goes.
So I am back home. It is a lot later now. I ended up only getting a desk, so not even for this little corner. The one that I shared with you guys, I decided to go with that. I will build this tomorrow sometime, inshallah. And then I got a clothing rack that I also wanted to add into our bedroom to have. And I got like the hangers to go with that, and like some other stuff, you know? So still not sure what I'm going to do over here. I don't know if I want to put like a table for eating and stuff. I'm thinking more to just maybe just put a painting or something up here, like some sort of wall decor, and like just leave it at that. Like maybe that'll just make it look better. Once again, don't mind the ring light and tripod and the hoverboard in the corner, but yeah, I'm getting kind of tired. I still have some more work to get done on my laptop. I do have a little bit more schoolwork to get done, and I'm like probably going to edit this video tomorrow morning, the same day I upload it, because there's no way I'm going to do that tonight. I'm exhausted already and it's only 9:30. Like I feel like a year ago I would be sleeping at like 12, 1, no problem, but now I have like a hard time staying up past like 11, 12, which is kind of funny. Don't mind the like unmade bed in the background. We're just going to ignore that. Yeah, I'm like very confused on what to do with the apartment. Like I just don't feel like it's complete yet, like I was telling you all, and I did get some things for the bedroom too, which I feel like will make a big difference. And I'm like wondering if like one of the main reasons, like I don't know, something to me, I'm just like not happy with how our apartment's looking. I'm no interior designer, etc., but I think it's because I'm just like not into the cream walls. Like, I know it's not that big of a deal from white walls, but something just white walls is just so much nicer and brighter, and honestly, like, even gray is better, but like cream, it gives off like those warm tone kind of, like, I don't know, something about the cream walls I do not like that much, and it like throws off everything for me. I don't know why, or maybe I'm just like thinking too much about it, you know, like it's probably doesn't even make that much of a difference. Maybe it's like with the way I kind of put things in here. I just feel like my apartment doesn't have like those cozy vibes that I want it to have, like just to feel nice and homey and cozy. So I definitely want to get on finally finishing this place and furnishing it how I want to and turn it into a space that I love, you know. And part of me feels like the headboard that I chose, I don't really like it that much. I honestly just prefer my white one from like back in my old bedroom. Like, I might just bring that one over and get rid of this one. I mean, not get rid of, but you know what I mean, like sell it, or I think I can still return it, but like I kind of used it, so I don't know if I should return it. Maybe I'll just like sell it or something, because the return policy on that headboard was like really good. I don't know, I'm not happy with it. It's like really short and small. I don't know. I definitely just need to add like final touches, I guess. Kind of need to like figure out exactly what I'm doing. I'm happy with like the couch and stuff, thankfully. Like, I like the way that looks. And then I feel like right behind the couch, I don't know if you all know what I'm talking about, but I've like vlogged there a lot of times. There's just like a big plain empty wall. Like, I feel like that needs something there. I feel like just adding those like little touches will just make the difference, and it's why I feel like this place is still not complete and like not decorated how I would want it to be. And also a little thing about our apartment, it's like a house they turned into an apartment, which is why we have like this weird door right here, and we have like 2 entrances and exits. Wait, okay, no, doesn't every house have like an entrance and exit? But okay, how many houses have a like exit out to the road, like from their bedroom door, you know? So it's like kind of weird, and I feel like that's also like something weird about it, but it's because it's not student housing necessarily, but it's like really close to the school. And so it's not like the best apartment in the area, but it's not the worst either. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys along with whatever I do, and I think tomorrow, you know what, no, not tomorrow, Friday, I am going to kind of like build my desk and stuff. I think I said I was gonna do it tomorrow, but I realized I have class like all day tomorrow, so I probably will get on that on Friday. I'll start building this stuff. I also got new curtains. I feel like that will make a big difference. I don't really like the curtains that the apartment came with. I think that's also what might be throwing me off. I think I mentioned that already. Like, I just don't like the ring look. I don't know why, it just looks bad to me personally. I just got some curtains from Amazon. I hope they are nice and they look how I want them to, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I am just like rambling on. Is anyone even still watching at this point? Probably not, but I hope you guys enjoyed this short little vlog. I'm pretty sure it was short. I didn't really vlog too much of my day. Yeah, y'all, props to the people that actually post a video every day. Like, I know some people do that like throughout the whole year. Like, it is tough. It is tough to post a video every day, but I just wanted to push myself and do this for 30 days. Inshallah, I'm kind of getting to the point where I'm like, I can't do this anymore. And as you guys can tell, the vlogs are kind of like slacking a little, or like today's vlog kind of slacked a little. I didn't vlog as much, but I have successfully uploaded a video every day for like almost 20 days. Oh no, 19 days. So that is actually pretty good, I would say. I'm proud of myself for doing that. I don't think I've ever posted consistently that much, but I will do this. I will record every day. I'm also just very tired right now, so I need to like go to sleep, wake up and refresh, and then I'll probably like really feel like I'm in the mood to record for y'all and stuff. I'm just really tired right now and exhausted. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.